Hello everybody. Hello everyone. Are we there? Okay, I see everybody joining. Hi Samprit. Hello everyone. Hi, hi Pawan. Hello. Hello Aman. So everybody's there? Good
Good evening,
evening.
ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Very good. So we have people joining in
Yes, ma'am.
and
They're
enjoying
joining.
it. Wow. So we have Anika. Hi Anika. Hi Komal. Hi Yugam. Good evening. Hi Sumit, Sheetal, Jasneet, Gagan. Yeah, Samprit.
Good
Kritika,
evening.
hi. Cool. So good, good, good. Hearts are flowing in. Keep them pumped so that we can also feel motivated. Great. So, Pawan, what are we talking about today?
Ma'am, let's keep that as a secret. Let's them join and let's start with a positive vibe again.
Oh, yes. So, by the time everybody is joining, I would just read through a quote that's on my table, which says that happiness is the spiritual experience of living every moment with love, grace, and gratitude. Keep smiling and share the brighter side of your life. So, that's the story of life. You keep smiling, thanking God for every minute that we are blessed with, and making the most of what we have, and not regretting, just trying to march forward, right? So many people I can see are waving us. This Kush 5443. Then I am Deep Farmer, Tripti Bhatnagar, Shaman. Okay, okay. Thanks, Komal. Arunima. Wonderful. So today's live session was to keep the continuance of the Saturday, conversation and detox alive, and to add more ways of detoxing through design talks and discussing about things that can add more vibrance, more power, and more motivation to our regular living. We find ourselves quite demotivated at times, and that's where we need to pump ourselves. And whatever design can do, design is a powerful tool in its own self, and it if it is applied in the right way and to construct more positivity, it will make the world a better place to stay, live, or work in. Right. So, Ginny, good to see you too. Hi, Shweta, Sanjana. Great. Hi, Kanika. How are you? It was nice to have you last session, and it's good to have you in audience today. Yes, I can see it, Aman. Wow. Good, good. So we have a good number of people, and I think they're all waiting for us to start it there. Oh, Ravinesh, hi. Great. So, Ravan, how was your day? How was your Saturday?
Little tiring, but now I'm here to detox myself.
Yeah, I think with the weather change and all, definitely at times you dip in your energy, but such kind of a thing where everybody's waiting and you also waiting to see them, adds a different kind of energy in your thought process. You feel so. I'm also feeling very energetic at this point, seeing everybody connected with us. Yeah. Good evening, Ravinesh. Good evening, Sid. Oh, thank you for always making our faces become more smiling. Yeah, Aman. Great. Okay. So let's start.
Let's start, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
So when opportunity knocks, don't let fear hold you back. Open the door and embrace the opportunity that has come forth. And so the year 2020 gave us the opportunity to explore the concept of working from home as a new way of living life.
Yes. True.
Today, we all have gathered here to continue with our detox session number 2 on the current scenario, which takes us towards the era of home workspaces and the new perspectives to the way we work. It is very well said that detoxing ourselves is necessary for growth. So let's start, ma'am, by addressing every single nerve of our brain to think, analyze, and evaluate.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pawan, for adding a beautiful introduction to the session. It is indeed a wonderful thought process of moving out of the dark, into the brightness. And I think no matter what happened in 2020, how the world went topsy turvy, and how things just flipped in a gist of a few days, was very, very difficult to absorb at the very first point. But slowly and steadily, I think we all realize that uh, there are golden treasures hidden in this particular scenario, and those are opportunities, whether it was to spend more time with family, whether it was to detox yourself mentally and physically, to make yourself more stronger, to build your mindset more stronger. So it was eventually a very, very um, big learning experience for humankind at all ends. And I think it majorly affected the working scenario all over the world, whether it was for industries, education, or for regular groceries. Everything was affected in a big way, and that took out the opportunity of people to work from home, which became like the in thing and the only thing that people could do sitting at home and connect with the other part of their colleagues and counter world. So I think work from home gave opportunity for people to find nooks and corners in their houses, in their villas, in their studio apartments, to find their nook and corner and define it their workspaces at home. So that's the beauty of that opportunity. And today also, a lot of countries are still under lockdown, and people are struggling their way and finding new ways to make their workplaces more intriguing and interesting. So that's what we're going to talk about. घर पे काम कैसे करना है, और घर का काम is not limited to cooking food and cleaning. It's connected to your workforce of what you do professionally, and how would you take out the maximum potential of your work while you have a good work home space, right? So, Bhavan, what do you think about it? What do you think? How should a workspace at home look like, and what should it be?
I think, ma'am, we should start with the basic discussion that how were the workspaces were in the past area and how are they now. So if I talk about that
Yeah.
scenario, that workspaces were like we need to go at that particular space to work on, and we were not having the idea of that concept that we can even work at our homes, even in the most luxurious way also, and in a more comfortable manner also, without having the hectic schedule of transporting from one place to another. And I think that the current scenario has allowed us to think over to that perspective that these things are also possible when we are sitting at our home. But in spite of the fact
Absolutely.
that if we are having a proper workspace to work on, and
Yeah.
I think that will add more beauty to the work that we are going to perform.
Absolutely right. Because I think we felt a lot of stress of commuting, like you said. पहले क्या होता था, पहले सिंपल होता था कि यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, गेट ड्रेस्ड एंड यू जस्ट रश फॉर योर कैब, कार or transport system and get into the thing, reach to your office, be in the 9 to 5 schedule. So you were more like a robo. So you could not think too much about your food, your regular connect, your clothes, whatever. There are a lot of small things in your regular life that you want to keep a pace with. But with this particular scenario, people who could efficiently and diligently stay in a disciplined manner could find a way to work from home in a more effective way, and it was more comfortable because food is not a worry, uh, basic necessities is not a worry. You're not traveling, you're saving time, you're more energetic, you're not stressed mentally to travel. Those were the advantages of sitting at home and working. So earlier things were very tough, and you had tough, and the only good point was that you would go and interact, so there could be a seriousness of a concept or a meeting. But with these innovations of Zoom meetings coming in and online interactions, everything changed. So now what were we looking at? We were looking at कि घर में हम अपने वर्क स्पेस को कैसे अपलिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. How can we take out a corner? Now a lot of people were using dining tables initially. Okay, dining table पे बैठते हैं and we will do a study there, we will work also there. But eventually क्या हुआ, चारों पांचों बंदे आपके घर के जो हैं वो अगर डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं तो आपकी तो concentration goes for a toss. Then came the need of having individual study zones or work zones in your home. If you are 4 people, you probably need your individual work zones. Now, when you look for individual work zone, what is the paramount important thing for you? The most important thing is that you have an area where you can focus on your work. अब focus करने के लिए आपको शांत जगह चाहिए, right? You cannot focus on a busy street. So usually people want their own cocoon and you want to sit there and work there. So what we did, what ideas we gave to our clients in that time period was to figure out a space which is a little aloof from everybody. So उसमें कौन-कौन से ऑप्शन आ रहे थे? एक ऑप्शन था बेडरूम में you have your own space, but then it has to be very motivating for you to be out of the bed and be on your table. So it has to be dedicated corner. And उसके अलावा आप you can set up your study space in a guest room also, in the living room or in the outdoor balcony unit if you have a covered balcony. So those kind of things could be worked out. And today, when we do interior projects for our clients, right now also we're doing a client who's coming from Pune to Chandigarh because now both of them are on work from home. तो उनको यही चिंता है कि भाई हमारे work spaces defined होने चाहिए, and we are giving them work spaces individually in 2 bedrooms. So that they can separately work and do not get mingled into each other's calls and work process. और उनकी daughter के लिए भी giving her a specific study table in her room. So that's how you define the spaces. अब आपने जगह location तो final कर ली कि okay we can have a study space here. अब next important चीज क्या होगी? What is the next important thing? Yes, everybody, can anybody give us an input? What is the next important thing that you look forward after finding the location which is apt for you to work there or study there? What is the other thing that you think will be very important for determining which should be your study space? Anybody, any input?
According to your perspective, please tell us.
Yeah. Okay, we are waiting for you to say what is the next important thing after finding a location for you to see कि हम next चीज क्या important है study space को decide करने के लिए. I think the next important thing is lighting. So how much light are you getting? Are you getting proper light from outdoor and indoor? So artificial lighting तो आप डाल सकते हैं. You can put lamps, you can put specific hanging lights. You can do a lot of other experimentations. Study lamp, normal lamp, that is there. But in the morning, you also need natural. Yeah.
We can play with the 3 types of lighting, that is general lighting, accent lighting,
yes,
and also the task lighting.
Yes. Yes. So as we say that you have to light it up, it should look very energetic because आपने काम करना है, आपने concentrate करना है, आपने सुबह की feel लेनी है. So the natural light should be enough. That is going to be a mental booster for you to work there. So natural light के लिए you have to ensure that your home workspace is near to a window and you have ample light coming in, and you have good curtains or blinds to control the level of lighting, because around 12 o'clock in the noon it will be too bright for you to feel the sunshine, so you might like to conceal something. So these things are also important. Then acoustics है कि आवाज कहीं बाहर से ना आए. I'm working, so I need to have my own space, so you should have a space which can be closed or opened as per your choice. So that's one thing which is important. एक और बहुत important बात है पवन, वो ये है कि your area, the more it is cluttered, the more your mind will be cluttered. अगर आपको बहुत सारी चीजें दिखेंगी, बेड पे बिखरा हुआ सामान दिखेगा, आपको किचन गंदा दिखेगा, एनीथिंग, यू विल स्टार्ट feeling distracted and demotivated. So it is important that when you're planning for your home workspace, it should be decluttered. उसमें clutter नहीं होना चाहिए, उसमें बहुत ही एक beautiful workspace होना चाहिए जो आपको invite करे every day to come and sit there, work there, listen to music there, unwind there. So everything, and people have got so conscious. I remember one of our colleagues in the institution, वो आके बोल रहे थे कि मैम मेरी डॉटर घर से काम करती है, तो अब हमें कुछ वॉल का बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, क्योंकि जब वीडियो कॉल करते हैं तो इट डजंट लुक नाइस to have a plain wall. We wanted so imagine the importance of that wall has grown more because you are using it as your workspace, right? So that's an important factor as well, that aesthetics and functionality will have to go hand in hand. राइट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने कुछ एलिमेंट ऐड करना है, डीक्लटर करना है, तो आप जो भी स्टडी टेबल ले रहे हैं और वट एवर arrangement you're making for sitting there, it should be comfortable and it should give you enough storage. Like we were talking कि storage होना बहुत जरूरी है, because you have files, you have papers, you have pens, pencils, whatever. So you should at least have very accessible drawers to it or some shutters to it, so that आप अपने कुछ regular सामान, laptop bag को उसी के साथ में, उसी cabinet के अंदर you can store it. So that is also
that workspace has to be designed horizontally as well as vertically. If we are working horizontally,
right,
we need a table, and if we are considering a vertical element, then it is the cabinet that is being provided for keeping the files, storing the things that.
Yeah, good. So that's very a valid point, because you need to utilize the maximum of what wall space you have and what floor space you have. तो wall और floor को इकट्ठे maximum utilize करना is very important, because it will add a little more effectiveness to your particular sitting area or your working area. So that is very important. Declutter करना बहुत important है, light अच्छी होनी बहुत important है, and then comfort. Like we said, कि comfort होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you are sitting on a comfortable chair, like I'm sitting, so I can rest myself like this, then I can just talk like this. So it's giving me comfort. It is giving me full support till the head, and I can just type and do whatever I want to. So that is important. Comfort is very important, but it should not be sitting on the bed and working, because that will hamper your posture. And yes. And I think we had an activity with one of our batch in the university, where the students were given the assignment of designing their own study spaces. I think they came up with wonderful ideas. Some students had beautiful lights जिन्होंने place की थी, colorful cushions. So you can manifest your own working space in your own style. Like Pawan was telling me this afternoon that, ma'am, it also reflects our identity.
Space.
Yes. So that's how it is. See, I have a few accessories which I will show you. So you can just keep such kind of planters. So this is like a cane basket, which was separate cane basket, and I picked up a planter, and this is concrete and cane finish. Gives you a little sustainable and modern contemporary feel, and you can just place it somewhere next to your desk or your pen stand, and you'll just feel that you're connected with the natural. So an outdoor connect is also very important. You should feel that you're connected with the outer world. It should not be all concrete, all walls, all things. You can have fresh plants like palms inside, which go well entire the year. So those kind of things are very well placed. Then you can have something out of the box, something which you never expected, which always makes you feel that, oh, I should think beyond my regular thought process. Like I have this thing, this my mother gifted me. So I have these few accessories. So this is size matters, right? So this is a huge cup. It's huge, you know. See my face and see the cup. See, so this is size matters. So this is something. So we do measurements because we are interior designers. We do measurements. So size definitely matters. Everything needs to be in size. But this is like a Starbucks grande coffee mug that I have. So I put some plant in it, and it looks nice. So these kind of things you can add. It adds to your persona. It shows how you are. What's your personality? What you like? Do you like more colorful or do you like more grays and whites? So that's the beauty of having the control. एक और बहुत important बात है पवन कि हम लोग जब ऑफिस में काम करते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो ऑफिस का डेकोर है हमें उसी के हिसाब से रहना पड़ता है. You know, all 12 months it's going to be the same kind of thing. If it's gray, it is gray. If it is blue, it is blue. But with your own home office, you can change it with spring. Now spring is coming, so we'll do a Saturday session on spring, right? Pavan, we'll plan for this. अब स्प्रिंग आ रहा है 20th मार्च के आसपास स्प्रिंग स्टार्ट्स सो वील देन डू अ स्प्रिंग सेशन एंड वी टेल यू हाउ टू डेक अप योर होम स्पेसेस एंड ऑफिसेस इन स्प्रिंग फील and so home office gives you that opportunity, you know. You can take it up for spring, for autumn, for Christmas or winter, for anything, you know, and you will feel more special and you will feel more motivated as designers and creative people. I think हमें तो everyday कुछ नया सोचने का मौका चाहिए, you know, so that we can feel happy about being in that space, right? So you can do those kinds. Somebody who's serious.
Designers.
Yeah, absolutely. And somebody who's serious or he likes more to do with you know, किसी को बाहर जाना आना पसंद है. अब लॉकडाउन में तो we were all inside the house, we were not traveling much, so then you can keep a globe, a smart globe in your spaces, in your study space, you know. So this kind of smart globe will add a little style to your style, and then you can keep planning कि जब lockdown खुलेगा तो which part of the country should I go, or which part of the world I should go. So these things add a lot of interest in the thing, and then you can have these kind of frames. So like we just had put, I have one more, but I'm just sharing. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. So you start working on your designs, and you'll be halfway there. And to make it full, we can help you there, right? So that's.
I think these elements can add more vibrance to the space that you have shown.
Yes.
And even it just adds more ideas from the audience that is watching our live video. That what other elements can also be added in the workspace.
Yeah, everybody please let us know what other elements, do you have some innovative idea? I have one more, but I will put a question to you and then see if you answer that, and then I'll show you that prop. It's for office only. So yes, any other accessory that you feel we could use in our interior spaces? Any other accessories? Yes, everybody? Do you have any favorite accessories? Pawan, do you have a favorite color for your workspace?
Yes, ma'am. Gray.
What is it?
I can say with bold colors, and it can.
Gray with bold colors. Wow.
Yeah. Bottle green is my favorite color, so I will be preferring that color.
So you like the tropical vibes. So you can make your space tropical. We'll wait for a picture from you next time.
Oh, sure, ma'am.
Right. So great. And apart from the props, the decor accessories that you would like to use in your workspace, the other important thing is functionality. Functional aspect is important, as we had just discussed about the posture. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारी काउंटर हाइट हमारे आई लेवल पे हो, in the sense we see our computer and our tab, whatever we are working on the eye level. So right now, if I show you, I have this particular thing. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is more to do with comfort of height. So the normal countertop height is 2 feet 6 inches. So this is like another, I'll just show you. So this is like another platform which you use for keeping the tab or anything that you want to. So this will add. Sorry. So you do not have to bend your neck like this and do the typing work. Probably you can just do it like this. So that's going to add less pressure in architecture and design, you always have this particular problem of bending, and then we have backaches and so many things. So this will be a more effective thought process. And similarly, you have those desks which fold and which can be used if you don't have a high table. Even if you don't have a dedicated study space, for now you can go in for foldable tables that you get online. Amazon and Pepperfry and all give you those tables, so you can go into that and you can buy those and just be comfortable and happy about your workspace. So what do you say, Pavan? What's your take on home offices?
True. And it's like our posture will remain correct. We'll be feeling more comfortable. We'll be feeling like we are sitting in a space that we have designed and is as per the ergonomics and all. So I think
Yes.
we have to put such factors in our designing skills.
Absolutely, absolutely, and it's really wonderful. The other thing is not to forget is the colors. The colors, as you said, you like gray and bottle green. The colors also determine your motivation to work. So if you like a specific color, try and incorporate it somehow. It will add more vibrance. हमने बोला जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है era of home workspaces. So हम एक नए era में, एक नई generation में, एक नए lifestyle में, we all now moved into a lifestyle where we are open to work from home, from office, from campus, even not only office to limit to IT people. I think education में भी देखा जाए, students need their own workspace to study online. Teachers need their own workspace at home to teach the students without any disturbance and with full concentration. So it's a 360-degree change for everybody, for all mindsets. And because of this online learning and online working, everything comes to your own small concentrated space where you can sit and interact with people. So this is just a small space that I'm sitting in, a small, I would say, like what frame you see is a very small frame. So you realize it's only this bit that is visible from my end to your end. And if that aspect is interesting and innovative, I think everybody will feel more happier to see each other's place and more motivated. So you can keep changing it with time, with seasons, with your own preferences. If there is a black theme, you can get blacks into your decor, home space decor. Also, you can use study table cloths. So tablecloths for study table also come in. So somebody who likes fabric touch can always keep changing the colors and themes and playing with those aspects as well. Pin boards can be changed as per colors. You can have different kind of office accessories that you can use. Okay, I have one visiting card holder which is inspired from an Indian service that is given to communicate messages from one place to another. Can you guess what I'm talking about? Yes, everybody?
I can guess, but I'm waiting for the response from...
Okay. So I have an accessory, office accessory for business cards, for keeping business cards, and it is inspired from a design from Indian Public Services to give and communicate messages from one person to another. Now you think, what is it? Army? No, said not army.
No.
Yeah, Namit, good evening.
Please go on with the other option.
What else? What else?
Think. It's a brainstorming.
Quick, guys, you're thinking. Yeah. Not army.
No,
it's not army. Yeah. Anybody
Come
there?
on, everyone.
Not from army? Any other Indian public service? Good evening, Vaibhav. Yeah. Anybody else? Pager. That's a good idea, but it's not pager, Aman. Think more. Anybody else who can think about it?
Ma'am, you can again repeat that line.
Okay, I have an office accessory, right, which is to hold business cards. It is designed with an inspiration from our Indian Public Services. I'm not spelling the name. Army is not the only Indian public service that we do. So from Indian Public Service background, where that particular service is dedicated to send or communicate messages from one person to another. So when we
So
didn't
what
have
is it?
mobiles and all, so what is it? Police? No.
Ah.
ISIPs? No. Yes, Aman,
Aman,
letters.
yes, Aman is
Aman, very
correct.
good.
Letters,
Yes,
very good.
letters. Yes. So now I will show you. I have this. I this morning spoke to some of our students, old students, about thesis, and I was telling them that I did my design thesis in post office, so it continues to that. So this is it. Card Seva. This is a post box, right? Half of it, and it is so this is an office accessory. So in my work home space, I had it, and I got it to the office just to talk about it and tell you that how this thing inspires me and keeps me thinking. Keep me on the thinking ball that how I can innovate each day with design, right? Post office, yeah. So India Post. So I will just try and open it. Yeah, I'll open it and I'll show you. 1 second. So this is how it is. So you pop in the cards from here like a money bank. You pocket. Thanks, Arpita. Yeah, you win, Aman. You get a chocolate posted by me in your post box. Right? So you put the cards here and you get the cards here. And whenever you need, you can take them out and you can just close it and keep it back. And that's it. So I hope you like this office accessory of us, apart from the size matters and other gloves and things. So you can always add these kind of things. I remember my niece has a nail studio. They do nail art and everything. And then she opened another brand of hers for hair extensions. And I found a cup whose handle was a nail polish. So yeah, Pavan. So I was just telling them that my niece has a nail art, brand, and she also is into hair extensions and eyelash and also all those beauty products. So the other day I was in the market and I found a mug whose handle was in the shape of a nail polish, and there was a quote written for it. So because she's an entrepreneur and she has this kind of inclination towards, I picked up that and gave it to her. Now she has it in her office. So she keeps a pen and everything in that, and it goes well with her brand. So you can do all of these things. You can always keep inventing. So it's about your office, new perspective. We are talking about new perspectives of using your office. You can have tables with adjustable height. You can have chairs with adjustable height. You can have a comfortable long chair with a footstool and sit and work. So all of these are innovations. You can have a customized, somebody who designs furniture can have a customized sofa come bed for that matter. So I think it's a huge world of innovation, and home offices should be A class, should not be like a jugaad. It should be dedicated design, right? And you should be welcoming yourself to work there. It should be like entering a hotel space and saying, "Oh wow." So every day you can change. You can have glass bottle filled with cucumbers and water and everything. So I think you should all do it so that you feel happy and healthy, and you don't keep sitting. You can, or some people who feel they are fitness freaks, they can also keep a rail or a dumbbell next to their table and keep exercising after 10 minutes. Yeah, you can also keep a pen stand which looks like a dumbbell. So it could be anything. It has to reflect your personality. You have to make it very interesting. You have to make it very interviewing. Interviewing, I mean, it should be like, oh, this is my space. Let me get up and start working here.
And
right?
sorry to interrupt, ma'am.
No, go ahead.
Some of the people are facing problem in joining the session because it's not visible in the Instagram account. So we are getting text from the persons. I don't know why,
really?
but
really?
Yes, ma'am.
What do I do for that? If you want, I can just. There's Anisha Rana who's requesting. Anisha, are you connecting with us? I have given you the access if you want to connect with us. Anisha Rana, you could. You had sent a request. Yes. Okay. Anisha, are you there? Anisha, are you there? Yeah,
No, ma'am.
Anisha.
I think it's by mistake. I think so.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So I thought she wants to talk to us. Okay, great. So I think everybody, you want to sit?
Siddhant
We'll
wants
do
to
that.
learn.
Yeah, Siddharth wants to. Siddharth, definitely next time we'll plan with you and we'll take your inputs so that we know what you want to talk with us. Right? So great. So can anybody put in the favorite color for workspace at home out of you? Yeah, everybody, please. Can we get some color suggestions? Some color suggestions for your own home workspace? Sid, Pankaj, give us your colors. Samprit,
We can know your
Aman,
favorite colors.
yeah, Princey, Meher, yeah, your favorite color?
They are confused in writing their favorite colors.
Go ahead, guys. How about pastel colors? Okay, good. That's nice. What else? Aquamarine. Oh, that's going to be lovely for summers. It's going to be wonderful. And I'm sure Samprit is saying this because he belongs to Orissa, and Orissa is all coastal and it has all beautiful beach colors and sand and shells. So aquamarine will be wonderful as a complementary theme in the thing in your
I
home
also wrote
space.
my color so that it should not be left aside.
Oh, okay.
It should
So
also find a space in the chat box.
bottle green. Okay, good. Bottle green. Siddharth says black and sky blue. Very different. That's lovely. We'll definitely like to design. Either we design, either you design your own study space. And Yugam says black. Oh, cool. Some white or golden in it.
Oh, that's also good. Black and red.
Black and red. Neutral colors. That's nice. Good. Great, that's wonderful. So we get some good inputs, and I think all of these colors are quite. Nobody wrote magenta, which is good. Nobody wrote electrifying purple, so it's good. I
And
think
what is
everybody
your
knows.
favorite color, ma'am? We would
For
love
the
to know it.
workspace,
Yes, for
I
the
would like
workspace.
so at this point I would like it to be white, black, and gold as per the logo that I have for
Okay,
now.
that's
Yeah, but
good.
uh, earlier to this, I think 10 years down the line, I had made an office with my favorite colors, red, blue, and green. So the logo was that time red, blue, and green. So as I said, change is always constant, and change makes
Yeah.
it beautiful. So it had a little bit of bottle green, maroon red, and a royal blue. So it was that theme. So I find it difficult to say one color, but I always like to have a mix and match of colors. It makes it interesting.
You are going with the
So
trend.
yes, and a beige or gray is always a good neutral to, keep the color theme in place and add some, highlights with other colors. So, okay, cool, everybody. So I am glad that we all came into this particular session. Anybody has any question? Any question? Anybody has any question?
This was a part one session, which was all about, which ma'am has already explained the factors that needs to be like focused on while designing our workspace. So would like to ask any questions in the, like, in the topics that we have covered today. Any questions in that?
Or any suggestions for that matter of fact, if you want some particular inputs or you want us to talk for something different, you can let us know. Also, I think a whiteboard like you see behind us is also an important feature you can have in your own home workspace, where you can keep updating your everyday plans and your missions goals.
Right.
So that's how I think we would connect. And I think, Pawan, that was a good session, and I was very happy to talk to all of these wonderful people and you, and we exchanged wonderful thoughts. Home workspaces, we'll get you more ideas. Office, whether home or in commercial, we'll keep talking. So this was part one. As Pawan said, we will work on part two. You will get in more ideas, and we'll talk in more technicalities of this space. in case you like any other aspect, do let us know. We look forward to it. Right? And stay tuned with us for next Saturday till the time we find a new aspect to discuss with you all. Right? Yeah.
So thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you. Yes, yes, Siddharth, your chocolate is pending. Please send in your address. We'll post it to you. The postman shall gift you.
Right.
Yeah. Cool, everybody. Take care. Had a wonderful time. And
Thank you so
keep
much, ma'am.
sending your.
Thank you. It was a wonderful
Thank
session.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan. It was wonderful. Thanks for being
Oh, thank
there.
you.
It's always a pleasure to see your vibrance. And
Thank you.
thanks, everybody. We keep joining us. Makes us feel more motivated and happy to see you here. And see you soon. Now in March 2021 with something new.
Yes.
Okay.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Take care. Thanks,
Thank you.
Kanika. Bye. Thank you. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Bye bye. Lots of love to everybody.